back to Outdoors with the Morgans. The weather is not sure what it wants to do today. The sun comes out for a little bit, then it snows like crazy for about a half hour or so, then the sun will come back out again. I haven't done a lot of plowing yet today. We got about 4 more inches there late yesterday. I did get the parking area cleaned up here by the building. I'm gonna go knock out the neighbors' driveways and my mom's and sister's. This won't really be a plowing video. I've been doing a lot of those lately with all the snow, but we'll get that taken care of, and then we'll come back here to the house and we'll see what we get into. I got the brick house done, neighbor Cliff's done, I got my mom's driveway done, and all I need to do to finish up is my sister's driveway. That's next on the agenda. And it's still not still snowing, it started snowing again. About 10 minutes ago the sun was shining, it was beautiful. Now we're getting more snow. So before I do my sister's driveway, I'm going to take a little break here. I got to ask you something. I live in Pennsylvania, and I never knew this existed before, but did you ever hear of the Hershey Bears teddy bear toss? If you haven't, you need to look it up. It's hilarious. There's a minor league hockey team out in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and I guess the way it works is once a year, whenever there's a specific game, I guess, and whenever they score their first goal, all the fans throw teddy bears on the ice. Actually, all kind of stuffed animals. Not like taxidermy. That'd be kind of weird throwing a big deer head down there. But any kind of stuffed animal. And they did this the other night. There's some videos on YouTube. And I guess the way it works is for every stuffed animal they throw onto the ice, some company donates, I think, $1 to some charity. And they round up all the stuffed animals and donate them to kids in need. Well, the other night they had a world record, I guess. 52,000 stuffed animals were thrown on the ice, and it took about 45 minutes to get everything cleaned up. Everyone was having a grand old time. The players were jumping into piles of stuffed animals, and yeah, but it took 45 minutes to get the game going again, clean them all up, and now they're packaging them all up and going to donate all the stuffed animals. I thought it was pretty cool. Now, I noticed in the video that I watched of the teddy bear toss, if you're sitting down next to the ice, you're just getting pelted with all the stuffed animals from up above, because those people, they just can't get them the whole way to the ice. So they're all piling up down there right on the other side of the glass, and then all those fans are gathering them up, and they just keep moving them forward till they get down to the ice. So if you ever go to one of those games, be careful if you're sitting down near the ice. And I noticed when I was watching one of those videos, all those people that are sitting down by the ice, they're just getting pelted with stuffed animals, because all the people up top, you can't make it all the way to the ice. So all the people down below, they're gathering them up and keep throwing them out on the ice until every stuffed animal in there is on the ice. So it sounds like that arena holds somewhere 45,000 people. So everybody brought at least one stuffed animal, and some people brought 2. So I just got back from plowing. It seems like that's all I do every day now.
Yep, snowing every day.
But
I am pressing shirts every day. So I brought a shirt out I want to show you. This is the gray or ash color with the logo Outdoors with the Morgans on the front. And the back is Sawdust is Man Glitter and Outdoors with the Morgans. And there's a wood round, a log with a saw going through it and sawdust flying everywhere. So you can get these on the website. You can get it in the ash gray or the sand, which sand looks nice. We're
going to take some to Messick's on Friday for those of you. And just worth a mention, Messick's has on their website, we'll be there at 10:30. I've been telling everybody 1:30.
Oh.
But we're going to try to be there at 10:30. You know, 10:30, 11. It's quite a ride out there, but we're planning on being there as early as we can.
Okay.
And we'll bring some shirts with us as well if anyone wants one.
Okay. So the correction is we'll really be there at
pretty much all day. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, from 10:30, 11 o'clock on.
Okay.
But it's really pretty out. It's a little bit warmer today. It's up to about 23 degrees.
It's so bright with the sun hitting the snow.
Yeah.
I need my sunglasses.
But if you wait 10 minutes, it snows again.
Yeah, but the sky in between the clouds is very blue, like behind you. It's a very blue sky. It's pretty.
It is pretty.
The orange Kubota tractor looks very pretty in the midst of all this white.
got some more wood in the wood bunker. That's a good thing. That was mostly all cherry, just a little bit of maple in there. And by the way, I mentioned the other day, I keep getting phone calls from people wanting firewood, and the last 2 days I got 3 more calls, and I don't have any to sell. A lot of people have been asking why I don't sell some of this wood here behind me. It's just not dry yet. Most of that has been down for a while before I cut it and split it, but it's still by no means dry, ready to burn. It'll be ready to go for next year. But anyway, it's time to get to the meat and potatoes of this video. I have been asking people to send in pictures of them in their tractor, their grandkids in their tractor, or whatever, you know, skid steers, whatever you have. And we have gotten probably 11 or 1,200 pictures so far. And that's just too many for one video. And someone had a really good idea in the comments. I can't remember who it was, but they said I should just kind of wrap up each video with a couple minutes of pictures. So that's what we're gonna do. So look for your pictures, share these videos with your friends. We'll keep doing this over the next week or two till we get them all in. I apologize if yours does not make a video, and if it doesn't, it's because we couldn't download it or there was some problem with the picture. But Levi has spent quite a bit of time organizing everything for me to be able to put these into videos, so I hope you enjoy. But anyway, that gives you some idea who some of the people are that watch outdoors with the Morgans, and we really appreciate you sending those pictures in. I think that's it for today's video, and like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.